Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Christina. In today's video, I will be showing you how to take your beauty blenders from this to this. So I know there is tons of videos out there on how to wash your beauty blenders or your sponges. I feel like I've tried everything under the sun when it comes to washing your beauty blenders and getting those hard, tough stains out. But I feel like I have discovered the new, fastest, and best way. So this is how I store all my beauty blenders and sponges in this big giant container. I got this from HomeGoods. So the fact that it's not airtight and it has airflow going into it, this prevents bacteria from growing on or in your beauty blenders. Anyways, back to what I use. So the new thing that I have discovered that I use now, and I will forever just use this to clean my beauty blenders, is the Sigmagic scrub from Sigma. So this is what it looks like. It has suction cups on the back, so you can easily hook this up to your sink and you can wash it hands-free. And this is what the inside looks like. It has these really nice plastic bristles that give you such a nice deep cleanse, and they're super soft, so they're not going to rip your sponges or your brushes. I will have a direct link for this in the bottom bar, so check the description box below. And I promise you guys this video isn't sponsored. I just discovered this kind of randomly by accident and I love it. I don't think I'll ever go back to using bar soap or any other type of cleanser. I'm just so obsessed with this product. This is the best discovery I have made. Okay, so first I'm going to show you guys how I would normally wash my sponges before I discovered the Sigmagic. And I would just use a regular Dove bar soap. So as you can see, it's clean, the water runs clear, but it just doesn't get all the stains out. So I'm going to take the same beauty blender and use the Sigmagic and show you guys how it gets all the stains out after washing it with the regular Dove bar soap. So I like to stick this to the inside of my sink, and the suction cup actually holds it really well. Honestly, I feel like this takes no effort at all. It's so easy. All you do is just add some water, twirl it a few times, and everything comes out so easy. It's insane. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the rest of these nasty sponges, and you'll see just how quick all that makeup comes out. And on Sigma's website, it actually says that the cleanser part of this is a super concentrated formula that specifically removes and targets really tough stains, which is why I feel like this works so amazingly. And if you're wondering if the plastic bristles create any holes or tears in the sponges, don't worry, it doesn't. It's super gentle, yet it scrubs out all the makeup. And as I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna have this product linked in the bottom bar for you guys, so be sure to check that out. Okay, this one right here is like some cheap old sponge that has been stained for weeks, and look at how clean I was able to get it. This is crazy. So as you guys can see, all the sponges are nice and clean now with no stains, which is the most important part. And I like to leave them out in a basket like this to dry. They'll shrink back up to their normal sizes, and then I'll store them in the glass container. And that is it. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.